I think it goes without saying. It's been an incredibly long year. I'm sure there was a lot of excitement for entering into a new decade, but no one would have seen this coming. Stuck at home in a global pandemic, listening to the news that keeps getting worse and worse. Yep, didn't see that coming. And of course, all your favorite places being closed and shut down. I mean, I may have taken some measures to protect myself, and by God's grace, everyone close to me has been healthy and safe, but the real struggles were just beginning. So I began working longer hours at home. It really is hard to separate yourself when work is just 2 feet away from your bed. Every day just started to feel the same, and it's been a struggle to stay focused. A lot of the time, feeling unmotivated and disinterested. Missing the camaraderie that comes with being in the office. Missing being able to see friends and without worrying about local laws. And of course, all your favorite activities being shut down, even your trips to Timmy's. It really did start feeling like a lonely and sad time. But as always, time just passed. "11 dull months flew by until my favorite month of the year, December, rolled around the corner. There was something special about December, about the holidays. I thought back to all the good memories I have made in this month. My birthday, all my friends' birthdays, Christmas, and New Year's. I knew I couldn't let this month be like the last few. I knew I had to make it special somehow. It had to start with my mindset. I focused on daily affirmations, just affirming to myself every morning that it was going to be a good day. I started to enjoy the small things, eating avocado toast my mom made, playing Among Us with my friends, or even spoiling myself with a bubble bath. I started setting a hard cutoff time for work, so I can go outside when it was still a little light out, even to take some pictures. But most importantly, I knew the holidays was the best time to connect with family and friends, while staying safe, of course. And this led to some amazing memories being made.